back from Madrid, Spain, where my tour guide Sandra introduced me to my new favorite drink. Tinto de Verano, basically red wine and lemon. This drink was introduced to me by Sandra, who took me on an amazing food tour all around Madrid, and this drink stood out to me so much because it's very similar to a sangria, except it's lighter and fresher. So let's make it. I'm gonna add the ice to the glass. And instead of all the other fruits that a sangria would traditionally use, we only use lemon and orange slices. We're gonna add in our red wine, and we'll do half and half. Half red wine and half lemon soda. I brought this lemon soda back from Spain. I've never seen a lemon Fanta here in the US at all. Try this, you're not gonna regret it. I'm Chef Mimi J. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, follow, and comment below if you're gonna try this drink. See you next time.